Hi, in the first class, we have learned that how we can represent sparse matrix in 3-column form or and second was linked list form. The first 3-column form we have seen in the first class of sparse matrix, where if 4x4 matrix is there and the C programming there is indexing 0, R0 row and the 0, 1, 2, 3 column, and we have represented in 3-column form. The first row in this 3 column represent total row, total column and total non-zero values. Similarly, when we are going to represent linked list, we require 3 nodes and 3 nodes has a different structure. The first head node has 4 places, where first place is total row, second total column, third total non-zero values in that matrix, and last is a pointer that point the next row. Similar to your previous, after 1, 2, 3 place, one pointer is required that could point next row. Okay. Next is row node. Row node first is row number, next pointer for next row. Because in any matrix, you have to, after scanning all the columns, you have to move next row. So there is a one pointer that will put you on next row. And third is column node. In the column node, first is column number, second the value that exists in that column, and next pointer for next value in same row. For example, this is the matrix. In 0 column value is 4. In the same row, 2 column value is 3. So we require a node that could move right side. Okay. So let's take same example and we are going to make its linked list representation. So for linked list representation of this matrix, first head node. This head node contains 4 row, 4 column and 6 non-zero values. Okay. Next is pointer that will point first row. The first row is mean R0. And its next pointer point next row, mean 1. Its next pointer point row 2. And its next pointer point last row, row 3. Now in each row there would be a column movement. So for column movement, this pointer, this is row node, and column, this will go to, the value is in first column. So in the first column value is 2. And is there any another value in same row? No. So its last pointer is null. Now in row 1, this pointer points to, in column 0 value is 4. Then again it points to next column, where column value is 2 and value is 3, and the pointer, there is not any other value in the same row, so it is null. Second row, two values are there, so I have created 2 nodes. The first, in row 2 column 1 value is 1 and it points to next column values. Column number 3, column number is 3, value is 1 and it does not point to next, so it is null. In 3, the column node in column 1 we got value 2. It does not point any other value in non-zero value in same row, so it is null. So it is a linked list representation of sparse matrix, and I have created linked list representation for this matrix. Thank you.